Hundreds of local families are getting ready to install solar panels on their homes, taking advantage of incentive programs designed to increase the use of solar in North Carolina.
Reporter Tina Terry dug into the new incentives and found out just how much some local families are saving on the power bill.
For years, North Carolina business owners have been installing solar energy systems like this one, but now changes in state law have made it possible for more homeowners to do the same.
The sun is a very big star, and it can definitely power your home.
Marco and Mary Ceccarelli installed these solar panels at their home-based business in January. Now they save more than $150 a month.
For the past 5 months, we have not paid a bill.
They're one of more than 1,500 customers who apply for Duke Energy's solar rebate program when it launched this summer. It makes solar systems, which can cost between $15,000 and $30,000, more affordable to homeowners and small businesses, offering homeowner rebates up to $6,000.
So here we are. This is our electrical system here.
Energy the Ceccarellis don't use is transferred back to Duke Energy, and they get a credit for it.
It really adds up. It really adds up.
They also took advantage of a 30% federal tax credit on installation.
Until last summer, North Carolina didn't really have a strong incentive program for rooftop solar. Now it does.
Michael Mazzola, director of the Energy Production and Infrastructure Center at UNC Charlotte, says that new legislation is designed to create solar use in the state and make it more affordable for homeowners. He says research here could help the industry make solar cells faster and for less money.
Now, homeowners who installed solar energy systems this year but didn't have an opportunity to apply for Duke Energy's program may have a second chance. Visit our website, WSOCTV.com, for details. Reporting from North Charlotte, Tina Terry, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.